welcome back to my channel and to my curly hair how-to playlist. On today's video, we're going to be talking all about how to condition curly hair. So we are going to be getting into the nitty-gritty, every single detail you need to know about conditioning curly hair, because as we know, conditioner for most of us is our lifeline, and for others it's not, and we will also get into that. I'm also going to be showing you how to condition. So this video is going to be so great if you are somebody just starting out on your curly journey, or if you're someone who's experiencing different types of curl problems and they're trying to troubleshoot, or of course if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber and you are looking for instructions on how to use any products inside of Curls Monthly. So this video is going to be a general how to condition video. Of course, I'll mention on any specific product video if there are deviations to what I'm saying. As always, the best instruction will always be on the back of the bottle, so make sure that you're always looking to that for any deviation as well. But conditioning is so important for so many of us, and deep conditioning is even more important for so many of us. So if you're curious the difference between conditioning and deep conditioning, I got you. I remember when I didn't really know much about hair, I thought that deep conditioning was just like a marketing tactic. I thought that I could leave conditioner in my hair and it would sort of do the same thing as a deep conditioner, but I was very wrong. So conditioners will provide moisture to your hair. What moisture is a moisturization or a nourishment of the outer layer of your hair. So conditioners are going to make your hair appear hydrated, whereas deep conditioners are going to hydrate your hair. And what hydration means is basically going into the inner depths of your hair and nourishing your hair from the inside out. So deep conditioners go inside of your hair, conditioners stay outside of your hair, but you need both, and there is definitely room in your routine for both. I always say, especially if you're first starting out your curly hair journey, you absolutely need to be deep conditioning. Whether you're using protein treatments, moisturizing deep conditioners, bond building treatments, or any of the above, it is crucial to your hair's nourishment and health that you are deep conditioning. Of course, what you use will always depend on your hair. If you need any help with what to use, make sure that you're, of course, subscribed to Curls Monthly. I'll link below to my curly hair subscription service. And also, I have plenty of other videos on my channel going through all different products and who they're for and who they're not for. But I added conditioning and deep conditioning to the same video because the instructions are literally the same, except for deep conditioners you just keep in your hair longer. This video could also be entitled How to Detangle Your Hair, because we always detangle our curly hair with conditioner in it. Of course, we condition our hair after we shampoo. This is going to be for 99% of people. Now, there are a small percentage of people who maybe actually want to skip conditioner and go right to leave-in conditioner. You are one of these people if your hair is fine and super, super, super low density. You know who I am talking about. You're the type of person whose hair gets very easily weighed down, very greasy. You're the type of person that actually can, for the most part, skip conditioning and just go right into a lightweight spray leave-in conditioner. Again, definitely check out my Fine Hair Starter Pack if you think this is you. I will make sure to link that below. The Fine Hair Starter Pack is just an entire wash day for specifically fine hair to try out my favorite fine hair products to really make sure that you're doing the best you can for your fine hair, which is a little bit more difficult than the average hair to take care of. Okay, so let's jump to the shower and I'm gonna show you how to condition and deep condition your hair. Okay, so like I said, we're always going to want to condition after we shampoo. So on perfectly shampooed, cleansed hair, you are going to want to take your conditioner and take a good amount of it right in your fingertips. How much conditioner you use, of course, is going to depend on how thick your hair is and how also voluminous you want the results to be. So if you want your hair to be more voluminous in the end, use a little less conditioner. If you really prefer more of a defined frizz-free look, use more. But how much you use is definitely going to depend on your head of hair, and that's something that you can kind of mess with. So you're going to take that ball of conditioner, rub that in your hands, and then just drape that over the canopy of your hair. The canopy is that outer layer of your hair. After you have done that, then you're going to take a tiny dab more of your conditioner and you're actually going to get that in between your fingertips. You're going to use your fingertips to just very gently finger detangle any of those major mattings or knots right by the nape of your neck. I know for a lot of us that ends up being the kind of like grossest, mattiest part. So make sure that you really get in there with your fingers first before you do anything else to make sure that we decrease any amount of breakage or hair loss that might happen if we went in directly with a brush. So after the conditioner is all in your hair, it's on the canopy, it's on the nape of your neck, that's when you can then get a curl safe detangling brush. I will make sure to link the one that I love below. And basically with that brush, you are going to go in small sections. It actually goes quicker if you take smaller sections. And you're going to start at the bottom of your hair and slowly work your way to the top. You want to do this very slowly and very carefully because of course when your hair is wet, it's in a more fragile state. So definitely make sure that you are being really careful with that. Now, once your hair is completely detangled and completely brushed through, you can either keep it on for a few minutes, whether or not it is a deep conditioner, maybe you just want to wash your body real quick, or if it is a deep conditioner, you want to make sure that you're following the instructions on the label for how long to keep it in, because they have product formulators that spend a lot of time developing these formulations and you want to make sure that you are listening to them. So keep the product in or rinse the product out, but when you are ready to rinse it out, just lean your head back and let the conditioner rinse out. Some people do keep a small amount of conditioner in their hair. You can do this if it's not a deep conditioner, if it's just a regular conditioner, but you can do this if you have more frizzy hair, drier hair, coarser hair, thick hair. But if you have finer hair or lower density hair, you're definitely gonna wanna make sure that you really do rinse that conditioner completely out, or else your hair is going to be very weighed down the next day. And that is how you condition, deep condition, and detangle your hair. I really hope that that helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment below your favorite conditioners so you can help other curly girls out. Like this video and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you next time.